I am a financial analyst. I am educated and driven by money.
Tatiana is bringing the zhuzh, bringing that spice and everything nice, you know?
Brenda is one of the older sisters. She's more conservative.
Justin is a cool, suave, charismatic guy.
What can I say about David? He's a family man.
You are going to be on a roller coaster ride.
Of comedy, laughter, romance, and of course, financial fortitude.
And you get to see a lot of personalities in it.
Gonna entertain you and educate you at the same time.
You're going to enjoy the play, but you're going to get a better financial understanding on how to save money.
It has a lot of depth to it.
It's educational, it's informative. If you are a rich auntie, if you want to be a rich auntie, come through and watch the show. You will not regret it. I can tell you that.
Rich aunties, if y'all ain't there, y'all ain't nowhere. Remember, I tell y'all that.
Get rich or get left behind. Ooh.